bagong rides na naman ngayon dahil weekend. Dahil malakas ang trip ko ngayon at wala namang masyadong ginagawa, pupunta tayo ng LU para magkape. I started my journey around 10 AM from Alaminos to San Juan. The travel time is 3 hours, depends on the traffic. As for a while, nag-stop over muna ako to check my tires if kulang ba ng hangin. Kasi it's better to prioritize safety when you're traveling. It is just me, or do you guys enjoy riding a motorcycle while traveling? Kasi tignan nyo naman, mas ma-appreciate mo ang view ng environment, and it improves our mental health, and it takes away stress. Nandito na tayo sa San Fernando. Grabe, sobrang init dito. Para kang nasa tanning bed. Sobrang init. Nakita ko na yung templo namin dito sa San Fernando. Itong Machu Temple. Grabe pala dito sa San Juan during weekends. Ang daming sasakyan, daming turista. Para silang mga langgam na nakalinyada. O yung mga mata nyo, hindi tayo pumunta dito sa San Juan para para magkape lang. Ito na pala yung famous iconic landmark ng San Juan, yung 7-Eleven nila. Sana all may OBR. While I'm on San Juan, naghanap ako ng place para mag-chill until sunset. Yes. Then I discover a fine cafe. Pumunta tayo ng LU ngayon para magkape. The Sweet Days Cafe, along Purok 7 Urbis, Tondo, San Juan. They offer different kinds of beverages. Meron silang coffees, smoothies, and floats. Meron din silang pasta, pastries, and sandwiches. The things I like the most in this cafe is the ambience, friendly staffs, the fresh brewed coffees, and the most important of all, the affordable price. At kung init na init ka na, nandito si Leo's Ice Cream. The best thing about their ice cream is it's homemade, fresh, and no artificial flavors. And if you have your babies with you, no worries, because they are a pet-friendly cafe. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na dito sa Sweet Days Cafe. Baka bigyan pa kayo ng discount ni Sir June and Lon. Sayang naman. Ngayong nalasap ko na ang tamis na babalik-balikan, I will surely come back again for more. Siyempre, hindi matatapos ang pag-unwind natin dito sa LU without watching the sunset. I really love to watch the sunset because it connects me with nature. And every sunset brings the promise of a new dawn. Thank you for watching. Hope you like, follow, and comment your thoughts about this video. Now, this is Ari, signing out.